Hello and welcome back to another video on Friends Car Repair Corner. So today it's going to be another quick one, and this one's been annoying me for a while, and it's my parking sensors. Every time I put it into reverse I just get beep, like I'm about to hit something and I'm not. So let's get to the car, let's go and do something that I think might solve it. I'll show you the problem that I have and then we'll see if it actually fixes. All right, let's go. All right, so we're in the car. I want to get copyrighted, so there we go. Put it in reverse and she beeping. So I'm pretty sure it could be like some sort of like rubbish or something like that has got into the actual sensors themselves. So what I'm going to do is like get a needle or whatever, something really fine, small, to go around the the sensors. So yeah, let's give that a try, see if that works. If not, I can then give it a little clean with water as well, see if that then clears anything else out. Let's just give it a go. Right, moment of truth then. Nope. Right, okay, so it's another day. As you've seen, cleaning the actual sensors hasn't worked. So I have been on eBay, got myself a full set, so 4 sensors for like 20 quid. I'm pretty sure I know which one it is, the one that looks all like scratched up. So I'm thinking that, yeah, let's go get that one out, put that one in and then test it, because I still have the same thing that I'll show you. Right, so it's just those bits there to unclip, and then it should then just push through. So like that. And now I need to disconnect this. And then give that a clean, and then you can put them back, and then that will normally solve it. But I'm going to replace this one. There we go, there's the new one. Now to clip it in. All clipped in. Now let's put it back in and see if it is just this one. There we go. Freshly in. Alright, moment of truth then. Oh. Now that's good because I'm at the front, so let's just reverse up. Okay. I think we're on to a winner. Parking. Go forward. Beeps. Reverse. It's turned off. I have got a car behind me, so if I reverse up to that car. Sorted. So what I ended up doing was just replacing all 4 on the rear anyway. If I've got them all, I may as well replace them all. And yeah, that has solved it. So I've got the front ones working, I've got the rear ones working. They work as they should. So as soon as I get close to something at the front, they start beeping. When I'm then in reverse, it will then do it, rather than straight away as soon as I go into reverse, beep. So yeah, no, I am happy with that one. I've got loads of other things that I'm thinking of doing, like headliner, because look, this is all sagging. So I was thinking about like taking that out, maybe retrimming it or dyeing it. So let me know in the comments which one you think I should do. Obviously, I think retrimming it would be harder, but I also think it would be the better one to do. And dye, it just gets everywhere and it might then go grey. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you're not subscribed, then please do subscribe. And yeah, join me on the next one.